Hello, good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. It's Wendy here from Wendy's Craft Den, and I'm here today to use the beautiful papers I got the other day from my craft art. And my craft art, what I've done is I've fussy cut a piece out of there. Now, you don't really want to sit there and watch me cutting out, you know, it gets a bit boring, but I'm using this sheet that comes from there, and it's the designed with Amelia paper, Lady E, so I look forward to using a lot more of that. So I've cut things out ready, so you don't have to watch me do that. Oh, my hair needs a cut, did you? Right, now then, I don't know whether you can see that, but it's like, can you, there's a little lip there. Because what happens is when you cut the card, you cut it like that, and that's what happens. And you get a little lip. So to get rid of that lip, because it can be, I wish you could see what I could see. Hopefully you can. Can you see there's a lip running all along that edge, just white? I can't. So all you have to do is get your nail or a bone folder. Me, I use my bone folder because my nails aren't that good. You have to have a manicure, I think. So go around your card and check then that you haven't got, see? Can't do the flicking, can you? That's what that does. So feel around, and same with your base card. Now this is a piece of A4, cut in half and scored in half again. Now then, here we go again. There's a bit there. I shouldn't do that on top of the other one, should I? Wake up, Wendy. Right, so just going to run my bone folder along there. Yeah, and there. When you, after you finish watching this video, go and have a look, go and find a piece of card and cut it and then have a feel, and you will feel that little ridge, and then you know what I'm talking about, and I'm not just talking rubbish, which makes a change. Right, glue, 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 glue. Right, so this piece here now measures 10 and 2 bits by 14 and a half. This is what I'm going to use for my mat layer. So checking that I've got the right way round. I can sit down for a minute. Oh. Let's put this on. Like I said, I've cut a lot of things out beforehand because I didn't want to. I don't like making my videos too long. I mean, some people like long videos, but as you can see, I've given it only a little bit of margin all the way round because I like it like that. I mean, some people do half an inch. I'll go half a centimetre because then that gives you a quarter then either side of the dilly what. Right, so I'm going to check this because there's a little bit there. Right, now then, I've got this. This is what this doily bit was cut out from this this die that Lady Amelia sells in her shop. But I mean, you cut it and things just fall out. They really do. You don't have to dig them out and things like that. They just fall out on their own. So, but I wanted to make it a longer one. So I've cheated a bit. I've cut it in half. I hear you saying, but Wendy, people are going to see that. Right, I'm going to put that around about there. Just look, you still see the pencil mark. Not that it matters because it's going underneath, but starts I mean to go on, isn't it? If I start shoddily, you see, it'll all be, I don't know what. Right, and this one I'm going to go down here a bit. Try and make sure that they are within that limit of the border. And then this is going to go on top, you see? It was a long one all the while, wasn't it? Move it there. Can you see it if I go down here? Not that good, so I'll move it up here. Right, so I will now stick this. Oh, I don't need that much. I'm not pressing now, I'm just spreading the glue a bit. This is Tombow glue, and it's excellent glue. It's made by Stampin' Up. And so when you're thinking again, just go quiet. Just check you've got that straight, right? Yeah, but you know what I've done, don't you? I've done the wrong end. There we go, that's straight. Now then, this is the piece I cut out. I fussy cut it out. I don't usually do fussy cuts because they don't work out for me usually. Now here they are. So I'm just going to put some dimensionals on here. It just lifts it up a bit and gives you a little bit of dimension. As they're called dimensionals, so they give you a bit of dimension. I'm hoping that this is all filmed, shown up properly. Yeah, I got these supplies I'm talking about now. I got from mycraftarts.co.uk. I mean, they're just a company. First time I've had any dealings with a company, and the price is everything. It's just wonderful. So please pop over to their website and have a look. And I'm sure you'll be as delighted as I was. Right, so start up again. I'm now going to put it out a bit. See, it's a bit curved, like I curved it. Because I haven't put dimensionals too close to here, there's still that little curve. And now, where is it? Where's he gone? I knew there was something I'd forget. And if I forgot, it was hiding. Did you wink, Stella? Yeah. Yes, there is. And I'm just going to... on the light edges of the roses. Because the light edges is where it catches the sun, putting some of this glitter on, it's still coming out here, it'll just highlight that bit then. Round the sun, round the rose, a little bit on the top of the rose there, that little bit, because if the sun's over here, this side is going to be in shadow, so we can put a little bit on there because the sun's going to be gleaming on it, and a little bit on the top here. So there we go, my first card made with my craft card. I hope you like it, and I'll see you all very soon. Thank you for watching me. Bye.